Hi Zamini, how are you? Welcome back. July ending, August starting. August 2021 monthly horoscope Gemini. See, if you are seeing main things, the highlights in the August, most Geminis are going to successfully reach the conclusion that they have to make some changes in the family area for a few months. These natives have been going through conflicts at home. They have had to deal with tensions, arguments, and disagreements here, so their problems seem like they are never going to end. All this have obviously influenced them for many points of view. Not to mention had them thinking about the ways they are interacting with others. Luckily, August will find them changing things and defining their family relationships. Even if they will have to accept that opinions, they won't feel like they need to give too much in order to reach agreements, which will have them enjoying their emotional life in a serene, S-C-R-E-N-E, serene manner, something they have never experienced before. Coming to the long horoscope for August. Gemini's friend, you should know August is a glorious month for you. What has been waiting for you in the love area and going to amazing because the stars want you to be in the center of attention. You will seduce, have a lot of passion, and even experience toxicity in a relationship. In the other words, love will have a good grip on you. Gemini natives will give a lot of importance to the family agreements they are reaching because they want to feel satisfied, joyful, and intimate. Solving the conflicts they were going through in going to make them feel reassured. They have a strong relationship. They will be closer to their partner and affectionate, giving him or her all they have. Everything related to communication will run smoothly. Their problems will be solved and only one way, by being sincere and encouraging dialogue in which feelings are being expressed. Love is set to bring all sort of pleasant surprises for the twins in August. Gemini in the August. Coming to the career and finance. It's very important that August Geminis won't receive any satisfaction for their sector. They will have to face all sort of problems by being a calm and as objective as they can be. If not, they can make tremendous mistakes. They will complicate their life. Many problems will appear because they don't respect authority figures. This is what's going to generate very serious conflicts. They are going to influence their self-esteem in a bad manner. Geminis may end up no longer trusting themselves and there will be true potential. Be patient and don't allow an anxiety take you over your mind. From a financial point of view, things will be good and you are going to enjoy stability. You will earn good money for the first fortnight, and after you will still have finances coming in moderately. Therefore, you don't need to worry about it, and don't need to worry about your bank accounts also. You will earn good money for the earn money. Yes, the person who are doing hard work, I'm saying those of them. During the first and during the third, the new more beginning, you only benefits. So expect it to earn more and more money on those 2 days. The full moon and fifth is will also bring you more money and good luck. For health is the wealth. See, you are no longer in your comfort zone. Yes. In August, Geminis will think the world revolves around what they love. So they will maximize their energies, be selective, spontaneous, and charming. Since they will face some problems at work, they will may end up suffering from different diseases, especially some related to their nervous system. Many twins, many Gemini natives get less sleep, which means they will no longer be able to intellectually perform as they used to. What they should do about this is starting treatments and therapies will flourish. By doing so, they will reduce their task for developing serious chronic diseases. So have to be careful on those. And Gemini August month 2021 completed. Guys, I need your favor for that is only one thing. Just like me and subscribe me. That's it. And we have the another opportunity. You have another opportunity. You can see all the months. I mean horoscope August month, every signs, every Aries star, will be there. Please watch it and ask them to subscribe me. Thank you so much and good day. God with you.